Still can't beat me, huh? In your dreams, Evie. Bring it on. Ha, told you, I'm still the fastest.
Yeah, sure. Next time I'll beat you twice as fast. Anyways, we should go back to the herd. Junior is probably wondering where we are.
There's nothing to wonder about. What are you doing here? You know you should stay close to the herd.
Okay. Sorry, we were just exploring a bit. What's the problem with that?
You do know that the waterfall must be kept strictly hidden, right? People are drawn to sounds and other strange things. So, stay here in the valley from now on, okay?
Okay. Sorry, we'll go back. But what's behind the waterfall anyway?
Nothing. Just leave it. Go back to the herd now.
Hey, I've been looking for you too. Tried to get away again, huh?
Yeah, well, there seems like there's so much more behind the waterfall. But Junior keeps saying that we're the guardians of the legacy horses, blah, blah, blah. It's getting annoying, right, Mabel?
Yes, you're totally right. By the way, it's our turn for night patrol, Evie. We should get ready.
This day can't get worse. Night patrol is so boring.
Totally. Well, we don't want any more drama, so let's go early. Oh, my lord, I can't see a thing. Evie, where are you?
Over here, come on, it's about to start.
Yes. Done finally, I can sleep.
Wait, Mabel, you sure that was it? In my idea, the patrol takes way longer.
What are you talking about? You probably imagined it because you literally almost fell asleep.
Hey, let me sleep if I want to. It's super late already. Wait, what's that sound?
What do you mean? Come on, I'm so tired, let's just get back.
Okay, if you say so. It's probably nothing. Hey Mabel, are you awake?
No, I'm totally sleeping.
Come, I swear I heard some weird noises tonight and I don't want to check it out alone.
Fine, even though I'm sure you just heard some deers or other animals in the forest. Why did you take me to the Moonhill? There's nothing here.
No, I heard some noises like some kind of electricity and...
Wait, Evie. Look, the altar has changed in some kind of way. I'm going to check it out.
Wait, stop, Mabel. Something isn't right.
Help! What is happening?
Mabel, where are you?
Wow, what is this place?
Mabel, come on, this isn't funny. I really don't want to do this, but... What happened to me? I really don't like this.
Hello, Evie? Oh my gosh, what just happened? Is this what's behind the waterfall?
Wait, it could be, but it's so beautiful. What's so bad about it that all this time a junior kept us away from here?
Oh, come on, Neppy. Can you at least walk a little faster? Wow, look at these beauties. I have to take a picture of them.
What's that sound? Help, I have a bad feeling about this. Let's go.
Agreed. Why is that poor horse carrying... Wait a minute, is that a human?
I don't want to know.
Oops, I didn't want to scare them. Yeah, you're right, buddy. Let's head back to the stables before we spook more ponies. Hey, Joe. You wouldn't believe what I saw in a hack with Neppy. 2 gorgeous wild horses. I think an Arabian and an Andalusian. Here I have a picture of them.
Stupid Bills. I might have to fire some staff. Oh wow, those are some real nice animals. Nice spot, Phoebe. If I could catch those, my financial problems would be fixed in seconds.
Wait, what do you mean?
Oh, never mind. Thank you, Phoebe. This could work out really good.
No problem. I'll see you around, I guess.
These horses are quite valuable. If I catch, tame, and sell them, my equestrian center would be the biggest in town. Thank you so much, Phoebe.